The average mass of a group of boys was 45 kg. When the nurse measured and recorded the mass of one of the boys, she recorded his mass wrongly as 42 kg, when it should have been 24. So 42 is the wrong one. 24 is the correct one. Okay, so 42 kg is wrong, should have been 24. Now, as a result of this, she calculated the average mass to be 47. So 47 is the wrong one, supposed to be 45. So the question wants us to find how many boys were there in the group. So I'm going to use the table method to try to solve as well. If you see, I already have the table here. So the first column, I'm going to write the number of boys. That's what we're dealing with. Boys here. So number of boys. Next, I'm going to write down the average mass for the second column. And the last column, I'm going to be finding the total mass. So we have two scenarios. We could write this as the wrong one, then this to be the correct one. Okay, let's do the two scenarios. Let me just put this as the wrong. This is the correct. So the number of boys, well, we don't know the number of boys. That's what we need to find. The number of boys, 1 unit. Since it's unknown, I'm just going to write 1 unit. And for the wrong scenario, the average mass, 47. Average mass 47 kg. That's the wrong scenario. So the total mass is actually 1 unit times 47, which is 47 units. How about the actual one, the correct one? The number of boys, no change, right? No change in the number of boys. They didn't like add 1 more boy or 2 more boys. The wrong and the correct scenario, the number of boys are still the same. So it's also still 1U. And the average mass, the correct average would be 45. And the total mass would now be the number of boys times average, which would be 1 unit times 45, which gives us 45 units. Now, so let's take a look. The total mass, the wrong one is 47. The correct one is 45. Now, there's a difference of 2 units there, right? 47U minus 45U. There's a difference of 2 units there. Now, then you got to think, why is there a difference of 2 units between the right and the wrong? There's a difference in 2 units between the right and the wrong total mass because of the error, isn't it? She wrongly recorded his mass as 42 when it's supposed to be 24. So what was the error made? Supposed to be 24, but she put 42, so she gave him extra mass, right? So 42 minus 24, the error was 18 kg. So there's a difference in 2U due to this additional that she added on inaccurately. Okay, so this tells us that the 2 units error is the 18 kg. And that's all for 1 unit. 18 divided by 2, and that's 9. So if we check, the question is looking for the boys in the group. There, number of boys in the group is 1 unit. So once you solve for 1U, that's your answer. So there were 9 boys in the group.